Good morning, Sergeant Dara.
Good morning, sir.
Edmond, good morning to you.
Good morning.
What is your full name, sir?
Edmond Oriano.
Oriano.
Yes.
Okay. Did you just check in? Yeah, we just talked, didn't we?
Yep.
I was about to say you're last, sir, but you're not. You just take your hat off, please. You're still in the spot that you were in before. You're still in the spot that you were in before.
Okay.
All right, after this, I'm gonna let him know. Jeff Brooks. Jeff Brooks.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Can you start your camera, please? Mr. Brooks. Uh-oh.
Yes, sir.
Back with those dogs again?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see what's going to happen today. All right, good morning to you, Mr. Brooks.
Good morning, sir.
Robert's iPhone, can you unmute yourself? Start your camera, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
What is your full name, sir?
Robert Lodge.
Robert Latch?
Lodge, Lodge.
Okay, Lodge. You're supposed to be here on August the 1st. August the 1st. Robert Lodge.
Yeah.
Yeah, August the 1st, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I don't know how it mixed up this day.
All right, be safe.
Thank you.
Hear me today?
Good morning, sir. I just need to notify you that I am at Third Circuit right now for a jury trial. It's Officer Pierce.
Officer Pierce, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, well, if you can't make it, or if you want to speak to the prosecutor, you're going to have to
Sorry,
wait.
kind of hard to hear you.
If you want to speak to the prosecutor, you're going to have to wait. If you don't recall, you can let me know, or
I don't recall.
And Officer Pierce for Lamar, Ms. Snyder, good morning, Constable Snyder. I have Officer Pierce here. He doesn't have any recollection.
I'd ask to write it up for a dismissal, Your Honor, please.
All right. Dismissal, no recollection. All right, Officer Pierce, be safe. Right here.
Thank you, sir. Have a good rest of your day.
Yeah. All right, Madam Officer, can you open up?
Good morning and welcome to 36th District Court for the City of Detroit for the State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there's no eating, drinking, sleeping, talking, no driving, smoking, sit up straight, keep your hands and arms off the benches. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. I just want to lay some ground rules down. Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do is try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm trying to get you out in the order that you came in. I just want to start off by saying that if you're not properly dressed, you need to be properly dressed, hats off. You need to be sitting up and you need to be ready, paying attention. If you're not, then we're going to move on and put you at the end of the line. So we're just going to get those ground rules established. We have a lot of people this morning. The first people are going to be in. We're going to try to get you in and out as fast as you can. And I know the people that came in after everybody, I know everybody got here at close to 8:30 or a little thereafter. But it's I'm going to take you in the order that you came in. That's the best way and the fairest way I know how to proceed. And we're just going to get going. All right. So the person that's at the end of the list might not be very happy because you're going to have to sit back and wait a little while. But we're going to do the best we can. We have 3 very good lawyers today. So please don't comment on to me about the facts of your case. I'd rather you go through your lawyer and take the advice of your lawyer and go through your lawyer first, okay? All right, Mr. Officer Bradfield, can you, did you find any more information out about Mr. Van? Mr. Oliver Owens. Did he not come back? All right, let's get going. Mr. Ogletree, are you ready? Is Corey Garrett here?
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Garrett. All right, this is the city. Are you ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Corey Linnell Garrett, case number SB 108-88941, SB 109-66021, SB 1124639, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1225421. SB 1325384. SB 1639292, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
No, he's a review, Mr. Berry. Mr. Garrett, state your name for the record, please.
Barry Lee Greer.
Oh, Corey Garrett.
Oh, I'm sorry. Corey Garrett.
All right, where are you, sir?
Right here.
All right, good morning to you. You entered into this agreement to pay and you haven't paid anything.
I'm sorry.
I said you entered into this agreement to pay, or did you want to do community service? What were you supposed to pay or do community service? Which one was it?
Mr. Perkins, we were doing community service. I did 16 hours community service. It put me in a hospital, so we were trying to see if we could do the payment plan.
Where is the 16 hours of community service? You have proof of that?
I'm sorry.
Do you have proof of the 16 hours of community service that you did?
Yes, Mr. Matton has it on file.
Mr. Matton, is that, and that's not what's in court. Can you find out, Mr. Garrett, 16 hours of community? What I'll do is I'll give you credit for the 16 hours of community service. That'll knock out one of these misdemeanors. And then you want a payment plan, right?
Yes.
All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow payment plan. I'm not gonna set another date. I'm gonna allow payment plan, and it's gonna be on you to get it paid, or, you know, complete the community service. And then you come back and then we will, we'll do what we listed to do. I know some of these cases are gonna be dismissed for the either the payment or community service, but you're gonna have to follow up with it, all right?
Alrighty, thank you so much.
I have to confirm, before I dismiss anything, I'm gonna confirm that, is that it, Rick?
No, I'm fine.
All right, before I do anything, I'm gonna confirm, so sit tight, let me get confirmation that you completed it, and then we'll go from there, all right?
Alrighty.
All right, Christopher,
Mr. Perkins,
yes,
can I excuse myself? They just found my mother deceased in her apartment this morning. So
absolutely, I'm sorry to hear, just zoom back in.
I'm trying to deal with that while dealing with the court.
All right. My condolences go to you. I'll confirm that, and then I'll mark the file, allow payment plan, and I'll be praying for you, all right? And then just, you can zoom back in anytime and follow up with it, all right?
All right.
All right. That's the way to start. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Zaria Green, case number SP 9824753. Is Zaria Green here? She has not here.
Judge Peggy, did you call Christopher Gibson?
No, I didn't, sir. Good morning to you. All right. Christopher Lanier.
I'm here, Mr. Perkins.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Christopher Deshaun Lanier, case number SP 161-87022. Mr. Lanier, state your name for the record, please. All right, Mr. Lanier, you haven't paid either. Are you supposed to do community service or what?
Yes, I finished the community service. I did all of my hours. I did 13 and a half hours at St. Patrick's Senior Center and Woodward.
All right, we appreciate the service, and we thank you for that. Did you follow up and send that in? Can we find out, Christopher Lanier? Did you follow up and send it into the court? I'm gonna turn your camera. Because you're breaking up pretty bad. I'm gonna turn your camera on.
I got it. I have a copy on me right now.
Okay, let me follow up with the court. Right. We'll follow up with you and Mr. Garrett. Let me just give me a minute, and I'll follow up, and I'll let you out of here as soon as your case will be dismissed once I confirm the community service. All right.
She said she
Okay.
All right, looking into it now. So let me pass that matter. City of Detroit versus Oliver Owens, case number Z8093241. Mr. Owens, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Oliver Owens II.
Oliver Owens II. Good morning to you. Is Officer Bradfield, are you still there? All right, Mr. Owens, I'm gonna call it good. I saw the reaction that you had, so I'm gonna take that as that you have not been drinking during the pendency of this. So I'm gonna call it good. But if I hear something different, you know, we'll be reaching out to you. All right. When are you gonna pay?
Like I said, I go back to work tomorrow, and I'm gonna start making chunks of payments until October, until this is up. And I have not been drinking at all.
You say October, right?
From what I'm mistaken, that was the deadline for the whole 900.
Well, no, actually, the day was. I thought the day was you said the day was the discharge date.
I think this was just I don't know if I'm using the correct wording for the courts, but it was just kind of like a just to see where I was at.
All right. So put a date on it. Then I'm willing to set you free as long as I don't get anything back about the drinking and you paid the money. So put a date on it.
I want to say by October, I should be able to have everything paid off.
If today is the date and time scheduled discharge probation.
Okay, well, I must have been confused on that, and that's my apologies. The only reason I wasn't able to pay again because I was out of work. I haven't been working since April.
I trust you on that. We've already gone over that, and I'm glad you get back to healthy again and you get back to work.
Yes,
so October.
We could do October 1st.
No, we're gonna do my birthday, October 2nd. That's gonna be your birthday present to me. All right.
Yes, sir.
Probation. All right.
Yes, sir.
There's nothing, Mr. Owens. I wish you the best of luck. Remember that if I hear something different, then we're gonna reach out and we're gonna have another conversation. All right.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. What's that date, Judge?
All right. Best of luck. Oh yeah. So there you go, Mr. Bradfield, is everything good?
Yes, he did come in this past Friday. His drug tests were clean. The officers coming, I just confirmed that, so he's good.
All right, good. I saw his reaction, and I felt that energy, and I felt that he was doing well, and I'm happy for that. I hope you maintain your continued sobriety, sir. I'm glad you're getting back healthy. I wish you the best of luck. And if you get this paid off sooner rather than later, I'm willing to, as long as you continue to do accordingly, I'm willing to cut you loose. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
What's that day once again, Your Honor?
October the 2nd.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Best of luck to you too, Officer Bradfield. Good to see you.
You as well. Good to see you, Judge.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Willie Good. Case number SP 172-0121, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-0123, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir.
Now I need a lawyer, and then Mr. Barry.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Mr. Good.
Good morning to you, Ms. Gayton Robinson. Mr. Wood, state your name for the record, and good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. Willie Good.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Robinson is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Good. I'm going to put you in the breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right, thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Andreas Grant.
Is that Mr. Graham?
Grant. Andreas Grant. Andreas Darnell Grant, are you here? He was. All right. There's way more people in the window.
Good morning, Aaron.
Morning. All right, let's move on. Grant did not. Edmond Oriano.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Edmond Oriano, case number SP 1727081, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Oriano.
Edmond Oriano.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for the pre-trial, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Set for pre-trial 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 3 cases. It's 4 on the docket. Let's see what's going on with that.
I only have 3 as well.
Well, it looks like 2 of them are listed the same. Okay, so Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer, sir. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
So, Your Honor, is there a 4th off-docket matter?
No, it's not. It's something that's just written on the docket twice for some reason. All right.
Thank you.
All right, let's pass the matter. Micaiah's iPhone. Have they completed community service?
She's gonna check on the 16 hours before it. She said she didn't find anything.
All right, Mr. Lanier, you need to get that stuff to the court. Email it to the court because they didn't find anything in here for you. I'm gonna put my email address in the chat if you can email it to me.
Okay, Mr. Perkins, I can email it to you right now.
Did you, I'll put my email address in the chat. Did you do it with Southwest Detroit?
Yeah, I did it with Southwest Detroit. He got it, but I got the my copy too as well.
All right, email it to me, all right?
All right.
You can call him.
Do I leave from here?
Well, let's see. We're gonna call. Let's see. Micaiah's iPhone.
I'm about to still email it to you right now.
Okay, man. Is Micaia here?
Yes, this is Miss Griffin.
Miss Griffin, good morning to you, Miss Griffin.
Good morning.
Okay. City of Detroit versus Micaia Griffin, case number SP 1702505, SP 1702506, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832 on behalf of Ms. Griffin. Please state your name for the record.
Micaia Griffin.
Ms. Griffin, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to make the offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? Pass the matter. Mr. Soroki and Attorney Johnson, good morning to you. Mr. Soroki, who's your client?
Morning. My client is Kenneth Owens. I noticed he hasn't checked in yet, so I was just typing a text message to him right now. Okay. He's here for trial.
Mr. Rodney Johnson, good morning to you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, I'm here on Marisella Arisco.
Marisella Arisco is here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Orozco. I'll put you in breakout room 6. Mr. Roscoe, Mr. Your counsel's here. I'll put you in the breakout room and he'll come see you, okay? City attorney is in room 4.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Ogletree.
Thank
Who
you.
are you ready?
We're ready on Rodney Lee.
Rodney Lee. Is Rodney Lee here?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. It's Ronnie Lee.
Ronnie Lee. Good morning. Yeah, Ronnie Lee. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
That's going to be a dismissal.
City of Detroit versus Ronnie Howard Lee, case number SP 169-6361, count 1 and count 2.
Aaron Overtree on behalf of Mr. Lee, P number 69167. Lee, can you state your full name?
My name is Ronnie Howard Lee.
Yeah, I just got a chance to speak to the prosecutor. Said that they're going to dismiss it. Said that they spoke to the officers being dismissed in interest of justice. There's either ID mix-up or identity theft.
Okay, Mr. Officer Leon, good morning to you. Are you there? All right, I do have Officer Leon that's checked in, so I'll mark the file that you care, that he's here, and I'll dismiss the case per city attorney. Mr. Lee, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
All right, thank you.
Goodbye.
All right. Anybody else, Mr. Ogletree, yet?
Yeah, I'm just waiting to see. I don't know if the officers are here on Christopher Lamar and Desmond Garrison.
Okay, Christopher Lamar, is that the one that said, yeah, Lamar, he's getting dismissed too?
Christopher Lamar? Okay. We're ready on that one then.
Sure you are. All right. City of Detroit versus Christopher Dale Lamar. Case numbers SP 171-4404, counts 1 and counts 2. Here's the record, please.
Aaron, what's your about for Mr. Christopher Lamar? Mr. Lamar, can you state your full name?
Christopher Dale Lamar.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for trial. Officer Pierce did appear, indicated to the court that he had no recollection. Court is going to dismiss the case. No recollection, Mr. Lamar. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too.
Thank you.
Mr. Phillips said he completed 14 hours.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lanier, Christopher Deshaun Lanier. Mr. Lanier, you shorted yourself. You said 13 and a half. Mr. Phillips says you completed 14 hours. Thank you for the community service, and especially thank you for going above and beyond, sir. For that, we're going to dismiss your case, all right?
Thank you, Mr. Perkins.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, man. Happy early birthday.
All right, take it easy. All right, who are we ready on? I want to go through some of these cases to see if we can get rid of some.
Judge, I'm here on Lopez.
Oh, who is that, Counselor?
Thank you, Judge. Attorney Bazzi. I'm sorry, I can't rename. I don't have the ability to rename the prompt.
Okay. Good morning to you.
I'm muted.
Does your client need an interpreter?
Well, Your Honor, he does, but I don't know that an officer is present. Officer Asi?
Yes, he's here.
He's here. Okay, so then could I speak with the city prosecutor? Could I be placed in a breakout room?
Absolutely. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. I'm gonna give you the ability. Is your client with you?
He is. He's in my office, Judge.
I don't see Lopez as up for trial for some reason. Is this a formal, is this a formal hearing?
Yeah, I believe it's a formal, Judge.
Okay. Okay, I'll see.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Go to breakout room 4. Good morning, Officer Chernell. I have you checked in.
Okay, I just heard that somebody is looking for an officer for Desmond Garrison.
That's Lee Garrison. Yeah, that will be Mr. Overstreet. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor, per the city attorney.
Very good. Ms. Griffin, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Case dismissed, all right?
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. All right. Marcus Lloyd.
I'm here. I'm here.
All right, Marcus Lloyd. Okay, you have a show. So the city of Detroit versus Marcus Lloyd, case numbers SP 1700120, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1736699, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Lloyd?
Mr. Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lloyd, please state your name.
Marcus Lloyd.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that any warrants be withdrawn.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. He also has SP 169-66881 that he did not pay. He owes $240 on that. As for the other cases, Ms. Harris, there's one driver that are not on the docket. I don't have an issue with setting the defaults aside. The city has no issue. Who's making all that noise in the background? Everybody's got to mute themselves. Is a driving while license suspended? A failure to stop at a stop sign? Improper equipment? Insurance no proof? And then the no ops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted 6, but only 5 we're dealing with because the one is the no ops that he never paid. Mr. Lloyd, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Gazi, are you there? Or did you change your name?
Gazi, you said?
No, Gazi, that's same Gazi, attorney. All right. Are you ready on Mr. Oriano, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record. Let's pass Lloyd. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Oriano. Mr. Oriano, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's recent offer to enter a plea to improper equipment and the remaining 2 matters to be dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause of dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of, as charged to the equipment violation, $120. When can you pay it, sir?
I could pay it today.
All right, I'll give you until tomorrow to get it in here. Pay it in DIV that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIV that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, you have a very good day, and best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. All right, did we ever find Mr. Orlandis Grant, was he ever here? Mr. Orlandis Grant? All right, are we ready? We're ready on Ortiz and Andreas Ortiz.
Yeah.
Andreas Ortiz, are you there, sir?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Andreas Ortiz, case number SP 172-626, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 172-9627, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-96281. SP 1730388, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1730389, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1736515, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ortiz.
Andreas Ortiz.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Berry, Mr. Ortiz has I counted 14 cases into the record, only 11 on the docket. Let's go through them and see. All right, the 3 cases, I don't have any issue with setting the defaults aside. The city has no objection to it. The no plates, no valid registration, and defective brake lights. No plates, no valid registration, and defective brake lights. I don't see anything here affecting Mr. Ortiz from getting a license either. Mr. Ortiz, Mr. Berry's gonna put you in a breakout room. Speak with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
To join the room, let's pass the matter. Are we ready on Mr. Good, Ms. Gaten Robinson? Ms. Gaten Robinson? No. All right. Let's that's it. We need an attorney.
Yeah, can I ask if the officers checked in on Desmond? Oh, sorry.
And Desmond who?
Desmond Garrison.
Garrison, you know the officer is here.
Okay. All right, thank you.
At least one of them, I don't know. Officer Crawford is here as well, so that's 2.
Thank you.
Sergeant Dar is here for him as well. So.
We'll call it. Good morning to you. All right. City of Detroit versus Desmond Garrison, case numbers SP 1314984. SP 1315131, SP 1192531, SP 1281764, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1445676, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree, can I have one moment to speak to the prosecutor again?
Yeah. All right, Sergeant Chernell, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Badge number and department.
Yes, it's going to be Sergeant Paranella, badge number S1101, Detroit Police Department, 7th Precinct.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Are you there? I did have Officer that check in. And then Sergeant Dar, and good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? And badge number department.
Good morning, sir. Sergeant Marty Dara, badge S816, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. I'm gonna pass the matter, let him see if he can work this out, all right? Investigator Charleston is late. All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Good. Mr. Good, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're going to set Mr. Good for a bench trial. He does have some documents, but I've also spoken with Ms. Snyder, and because of his other ticket charges, she wants to speak with the officer before moving forward with an offer. And we don't object to that because we think it'll be for his benefit.
Trial, Mr. Good, on 8/21, August 21, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. Good. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
I'm sorry, excuse me.
Yes.
You said August 21st.
August 21st at 9 a.m.
Is there any other day I can choose from? I leave out of town on that day.
Oh. Let me see. Are you telling me or are you asking?
I'm asking.
He said yes. He started it with a question. He said yes.
No, he said, is there any other day I'm leaving out of town?
That's why he was giving you the reason why he needed another day, Your Honor.
There you go. Yes.
No, I know exactly why he was giving me the reason. That's why I asked him. He knows what I'm talking about. No, let's see. Miss Mathis, let's, what about the?
When will you be back, Mr. Good?
The 19th will be good. Yeah.
On the 19th, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'd get this out of the way because I would want to know we're out of vacation when they're in. But all right. It's all right. If it's good, Mr. Good, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, and that's August 19th, 9 o'clock.
At 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go with Mr. It's Bruton.
Godfrey Bruton.
Yeah, it's listed here wrong. We'll correct it. City of Detroit is listed here as the City of Detroit versus Bruton Christopher Godfrey. Case number SP 17273. Number one, Ms. Gabe Robinson. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Attorney Phyllis Gaden Robinson on behalf of Mr. Christian Godfrey Bruton.
All right. Mr. Christopher Godfrey Bruton, can you state your name for the record, please, and good morning to you?
Christian Godfrey Bruton.
Let's change that in the system, Ms. Mathis. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Harris, Ms. Gaten Robinson, speak with Mr. Godfrey Bruton in the breakout room. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, sir, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
So it should be hyphenated.
It should be hyphenated, right?
Yes.
Godfrey Bruton, okay, we'll change that. So give Mr. Godfrey Bruton an updated offer, all right?
All right, we're gonna move him to room 5. That's my room.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Bazzi, good morning to you. Are you ready?
Yes, Judge, we're ready.
And this is a civil infraction, so we do not need a translator. This is the City of Detroit versus Brian Lopez Orozco, case number SP 17442, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, senior staff, Your Honor. Same as P85891, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lopez.
All right, Officer Oz, good morning to you. Can you put your name and badge number on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Ozzy, badge 768, Detroit Police Department.
All right.
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak to the city prosecutor at this time. I have the authority to enter a plea of responsible to an amended count 1, blockading traffic.
It's 2 counts here. Are we dismissing the other count?
Judge, what's the second count?
It was improper lane use. I don't know why that didn't come up on the docket today, but it was unsafe manner and improper lane use.
Judge, for the sake of full transparency, we only spoke about the single count, violation of basic speed law, unsafe manner, but.
I understand that. Officer Ozzy, do you have any issue with dismissing that and allowing him to plead, or do you have any issue with that?
Your Honor, I don't have issue with that. I just did want to advise the defendant to update his driver's license as he's still operating the issue, though.
Let me stop your camera so it makes it a little bit better because we lost a lot of that. Go ahead and say that again, outside.
Sorry about that, Your Honor. I was saying I don't have an issue dismissing that. I also just want to advise the court to advise the defendant that he's still operating with a New Mexico license, been in Detroit for over a year, just to change that.
All right.
Noted, Judge.
Very well. All right. With that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, and which stipulates the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $175. When I'm going to give your client 2 weeks to pay, or when can he pay? Because he's there with you now, right?
That's correct, Judge. 2 weeks is fine.
All right. August 8th, 2025. Pay a Jenny Dib that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm totally going to upload the Dib that after his phone, or he can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell him to pay it. If there's nothing further, Counselor and Officer Ozzy, we both be safe. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Judge. Great day to you and
Your
staff.
Honor, I'm going to be on standby. I'm here for another case in your courtroom as well.
Okay, we'll try to get you out of here on the next one as well. That's a road. He has a counselor. He has a counsel as well. So
yes,
stand by.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. He, have you got your client hasn't showed yet? Okay. All right. Let's move on. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ortiz. Mr. Ortiz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that my client can return with documents.
Mr. Ortiz, I'm going to give you a bench trial date of August 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
All right. Mr. Lundy-Gray. Mr. Lundy-Gray, are you there? Where's Mr. Lundy-Gray? His is a matter of payment as well.
It said he just left.
Yeah, his is a matter of payment as well too. All right, Larry Lott.
I'm here.
Morning to you. City of Detroit versus Larry Lott, case number SP 13037123, SP 1725392, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lott.
Larry Lott Jr.
Okay, good morning. Today is the date and time set for well, it's in warrant status on the insurance case, Mr. Berry. That's an older case. Mr. Lott did pay 3 related civil infractions on that no insurance ticket. So give Mr. Lott an updated offer. So it's a no insurance, driving license revoked, and a wrong way driving. Get him an updated offer, and on the no insurance, he paid 3 related civil infraction, or at least 2 related civil infractions. Sure. Maybe that other case went on. So Mr. Lott, Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, join the room, please.
Mr. Perkins, I just wanted to know if I'm in the right courtroom. Shakyra Owens.
Sounds like it. Good morning, Ms. Owens. Owens, I got G-L-R-O. Let me make sure you're on the side. Ira Owens.
Yes.
Spell the Lundy-Gray is gotta go to. Really, Lundy-Gray is about money. Spell your first name, Ms. Owens, please.
That's Shakira.
You're supposed to be in 336 as well. Mr. Lundy-Gray and Ms. Owens. Both of you need to go to 336.
But you're.
Wait a minute. Did you take that firearms safety course?
I sure did. They sent it to your email, and I'm still in the anger management classes as well.
Why did you have to do anger management?
I guess because my case, you the one that set it up. You said I had to do anger management and the gun case.
Management, we'll talk about it. I need to get her file. Mr. Lundy-Gray, go to room 336, sir. Well, I'll keep his as well. His is about money.
What's his name?
Lundy-Gray. I printed Lundy-Gray.
Oh, you did. This is a 336. No,
It's in 336, but it's just about money. All right.
Did you want me to stay here?
You stay here. Yeah, both of you can stay here. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Marcus Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we would be respectfully requesting a pretrial date and asking if Mr. Lloyd could have the opportunity to pay reinstatement fees up front.
I don't see any reinstatement fees that he owes. I don't see any reinstatement fees that he owes. I'll give him a pretrial date on August the 19th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You as well.
Mr. Lloyd, based on that, you wouldn't have to come down here and pay anything, but you do need to go to the Secretary of State.
Okay, I will.
All right. Miss Snyder. Investigator Charleston, good morning to you. You missed the cutoff for officers. I'm still gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Snyder and let her know that you came in late and you can join the room.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go down to City of Detroit. Where's the thing? Where's the thing for Monday?
Okay.
Where's the printout for Monday?
You said Lundy-Gray.
Dante. City of Detroit versus Dante Marcel Lundy-Gray, case number SP 120305532. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lundy-Gray, please state your name.
Dante Lundy-Gray.
All right, Mr. Lundy-Gray, you didn't pay.
Yeah, I wasn't working, so I didn't have any money to pay.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, $0 bond. Are you working now?
No, it's been hard for me to find a job due to my background, so I've just been doing little programs.
All right, well, listen, you wanna do some community service?
I can do that.
You wanna do community service to clear all this stuff up, or you wanna just clear this misdemeanor up? It's gonna get dismissed. I'll give you $20 an hour for the community service you do. And that calculates to 66 hours will clear everything up.
That sounds good to me.
Everything. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Refer to community service. I need a good phone number from you.
313-697-1124.
313-697-1124. I'm gonna give you the number to community service just so that you have it. You shouldn't have to call them, they should call you. That is 313-965-8130. But if you don't hear from them, either call them or get back in touch with the court. I'm gonna give you 30 days to see how far you can get on this community service. Come back August the 28th, 2025 at 8:25. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good day, all right?
I appreciate it, Your Honor.
All right, Grant. Tanaiya Grant.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, man.
Hey, Judge. Good morning.
This is good morning.
Was it Tanaiya Grant or Griffin?
Tanaiya Grant. Tanaiya Grant.
Hello, this is she.
All right, you need to turn your camera on now. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, City of Detroit versus Tanaiya Grant, case number SP 174-1108, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Is that Ms. Harris?
It is Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Grant. Please state your name for the record.
Tanaiya Grant.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Grant, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Well, all right, Mr. Rodney Johnson, who's your client?
What's your name again?
Marisella Arisco.
Is she ready?
Yes, Your Honor, it's going to be a plea.
And you did fully advise her of her rights, is that correct?
I did, Your Honor. She's going to weigh those rights today.
All right, let's put it on the record, man. I don't know why some of these cases are in show cause status. We'll see. City of Detroit versus Marisella Arisco, case number SP 17061561, SP 17113411, SP 172209, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1728197, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1729434, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1790701. SP 174900702. SP 1752070, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf with my client, Ms. Orozco, who is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Orozco, state your full name for the record.
Marisella Arisco.
Your Honor.
All right, good to see you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Ozzie, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Wasim Ozzie, badge 768, Detroit Police Department.
And is there Officer Allen here? Is there Officer Allen? Let me make sure we have all these cases counted for.
Your Honor, there's another officer here by my side who's also here for Miss Orozco. His last name is Marin.
Yeah, he didn't check in. Did he check in?
I believe so. He's in the court right now, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. I'm right here. Officer Armando Marin.
All right, good morning to you. Let's see.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Armando Marin, I have you check in. All right.
Your Honor, did you call Mr. Lagan?
Hold on, not yet, Mr. Don. I'm on the record.
Oh, I'm sorry. I walked away.
All right. Mr. Lagan, you're probably one of the last ones to check in. All right. Let's go with, and then what about Officer Allen? Did Officer Allen check in? No, I don't hear Officer Allen, nor do I see that Officer Allen checked in. All right, so here's the deal, Counselor, on Ms. Orozco. There's other cases that aren't on the docket. I don't know how they did. It's 2 counts of improper plates. Allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and no insurance misdemeanor, and then a reckless driving and a no insurance misdemeanor. I see why those probably didn't make it to the docket, because those are new cases. She just keeps racking them up. Or something happened, the allegations. You want to get Ms. Orozco an updated offer, or do you want to reschedule? I mean, not reschedule, but take care of these. And the other 2 should have been on the docket. The 2 insurance misdemeanor cases, the 2 improper plate cases should have been on the docket. I don't know why they're not.
Okay, Your Honor. I'm not sure if Ms. Snyder's in the courtroom, but I can get an updated offer and then go back into, I think it's breakout room 6 and speak to my client so we can try to resolve everything today.
Right. So to let you know, the allowing and the no insurance, that's scheduled for arraignment and on the 1st, and then the reckless driving is scheduled for arraignment on the 8th of August. I can enter a not guilty on her behalf on those, give her a $0 bond, go back and renegotiate and see. She doesn't have to do it all together, but and then the other tickets, she's supposed to have a show cause on those tickets that should have been on the docket on August the 12th, and that would have been a in 2 improper plates. So you have the full range that kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
8, no, we started 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 13, so I'm missing one. It must be of the new charges.
Okay, so I counted 8 from the docket. I counted
Right.
14 in the record. So you have your pen ready, a no insurance misdemeanor, a
Yes.
reckless drive, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and a no insurance misdemeanor, and 2 improper plates misdemeanors.
I have it all now.
All right, very good. I'm gonna let you go. Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Orozco, and wait on, you should, that room 6 is open to you, okay?
Okay,
We're ready on Garrison.
My bad. I'm right here.
Did we already call it, Mr. This is the city of Detroit versus Desmond Garrison. We're back on the record. We've already called it into the record.
Yes. So there's a resolution. He's going to plead to 1 count of FTB and 1 count of improper plates, and the balance to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Garrison?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Oh, yes.
You put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Overstreet went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
You said 1 FTD and 1 improper plates, Mr. Overstreet?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, let me carry your attention back to November the 20th, 2021, around 4:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Chicago and Foss. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you the owner of this 2010 Volkswagen?
Yes. Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I ain't never go get my my license, and I ain't get insurance. Sorry.
All right. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of an improper plate for the failure to have insurance and amended count of FTD failure to display for the driving license suspended. Stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
We stipulate the probable cause.
I'm gonna waive the warrant fees. Mr. Garrison, you never did pay these no insurance proofs, so you haven't gotten clearances here.
How much is that?
Those are $288 a piece. So you owe $156 and $156 for a failure to use due care and caution and failure to yield. You owe $288 and $288 for 2 no insurance proofs. Those two $288 amounts are affecting your ability to get a driver's license, either here or in Ohio, if you're still there. I'm only gonna fine you for one of these, the $240, because I see you already owe a lot of money. So $240, when can you pay it?
I could pay that Friday.
All right, pay it. Are you in the city of Detroit?
No.
All right, you can upload the Div that app to your phone, or you can tell somebody to come down here and pay it for you if you have family still in the city of Detroit. or you can come pay it yourself. There's other ways to pay it online, but they don't go through immediately. But for this, I'm not going to even have you back. I will give you until strike that. I'll give you until August the 1st to pay it, all right?
Okay.
All right, you have any further questions, sir?
No.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Godfrey Bruton. Mr. Godfrey Bruton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Godfrey Bruton has been made an offer where if he pleads to the amended charge of disorderly conduct with an agreement to do at least 10 hours of community service, the prosecutor will amend it from the original charge.
Hold on a second. So we're just talking about these two, but I'm looking at his summary and a whole lot of.
Are you talking about Mr. Godfrey Bruton?
Yes.
I only have him down for one matter on the docket.
Yeah. Well, he's down for, I call 2 matters into the record, I thought, for Mr. Godfrey Bruton.
He's only on the docket for one. I didn't talk to the prosecutor about 2 matters.
Okay, he's got more than 2, so let me see. I'll give you that in 1 second. And I believe, here's what's going on. They mixed his name up.
Because they didn't hyphenate it. Yeah, we had a discussion about that.
Yeah, they mixed his name up. So that's the entering without permission.
We have that one. That's the one we discussed.
He has, let's call into the record, Christopher Godfrey Bruton versus City of Detroit versus Christopher Godfrey Bruton, case number SP 150069, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 15007171, SP 1735238, counts 1 and counts 2. So I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond on those. So you have your pen ready?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, so he has a no insurance misdemeanor, a no ops, a drove on sidewalk or curb, a reckless driving, and drove without cycle endorsement. He has also.
Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Reckless driving. No cycle endorsement.
No cycle endorsement. So that's 6 cases. He also owes $162 on an old civil infraction of pedestrian walking roadway or something like that. All right.
Okay.
So now you got to go read.
Yeah, I need to talk to him again because we definitely did not discuss all of these things.
All right, very well. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Larry Lott. Mr. Lott, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Godfrey, watch your device. I'm about to send you a request to move to another room.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display. The people also have no objection to setting aside the default as to the no insurance charge. But with the plea,
no insurance, that's a misdemeanor. So that was a misdemeanor. I'll dismiss that just because he paid so many related civil infractions on that. And what about the wrong way driving?
To be dismissed, Your Honor. He's entering a plea to failure to display.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Lott?
Yeah, I got to. I was driving. I definitely was behind the wheel, so it's the best thing to pay the $240 or whatever it costs.
Well, I don't know if that's the best thing or not. Well, you know it's going to affect your license moving forward to get the valid driver's license because if it's actually revoked. But you could take it to trial. You could. There's things you could probably do, but it's up to you. What do you want to do?
I mean, because I've been already paid him and I'm supposed to been able to get the license and everything. I actually just found the receipt from the last stuff I paid. And the reason I could never get it is because they kept acting like I didn't do the stuff I was supposed to do. They kept giving me the runaround.
So are you gonna take the deal or are you gonna wanna speak to Mr. Berry further? You gotta tell your lawyer that stuff.
I had just found the little receipt from that. I really don't know what to do. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I'm not asking, listen, it's not about lying to me or not, it's procedure. If you wanna speak to the lawyer about it, I'll let you speak to the lawyer. You gotta give him all the information you got so he can help you, sir.
Okay, I didn't know it was gonna affect my license further. Like I still won't be able to get it at all now. Huh?
It's absolutely gonna affect your license. They're gonna know you've been driving. If you go to the review board and they've already told you you can't drive, then and they find that you're driving again, what do you think they're gonna do?
Yeah,
Go
but
back and speak to Mr. Barrett.
All right, thank you.
All right. Let's pass the matter again. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss. We ask the court to adopt the recommendation.
Theirs is about 1,000, huh? All right, what did I do with Ms. Grant's file? Ms. Mathis.
You said Ms. Grant's file.
Yes. All right, case is gonna be dismissed, Ms. Grant. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
No problem.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt. Attorney Soroki and I have a case that's set for trial at 9 o'clock where the defendant hasn't appeared. Attorney Soroki wasn't able to get a hold of his client, but there is a civilian witness and the animal control investigator is currently working on a dog bite. I was asking if we could call that case to do a warrant so that the witness could leave.
I have no objection, Your Honor.
So you couldn't get in touch with him?
No, I texted him this morning at about 9:15 and I haven't heard back from him.
Saga continues, Mr. Brooks.
If he contacts me, I'll get in contact with the court immediately.
And I do have the contact information for the witness and for animal control.
I can't dismiss your case, Officer Charleston, for being late because the witness did not show, the defendant didn't show, so. City of Detroit versus Kenneth Owens, case number V144245225, V144242625, V144242825, V144242925, V144322625, V144322725. Karen, for the record, please.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. The animal control officer and complaining witness are also present.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, Investigator Charleston. Good morning, you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Investigator Charleston with Detroit Animal Control, badge number 11.
Good morning to you, and Jeffrey Brooks. Good morning to you. State your name and for the record, please.
He's still present, Your Honor, but he's muted.
I marked as I don't know what happened to Mr. Owens. He usually shows up. I'm entered failure to appear, bench warrant, $0 bond. If there's nothing further, well, Investigator Charleston, you still have somebody else, so I'm gonna go ahead and call that case now as well. But I'll, Mr. Soroki, if there's something further, ready to appear bench warrant.
Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, let's, are we ready on somebody take the dime? That's Investigator Charleston's case too.
Do we have
City of
a,
Detroit. Say that again.
I'm sorry, do we have a case number I could pull up? I didn't have that in front of me.
The City of Detroit versus Marvin Douglas, Lagan, case number B13708824, B13708924. You got that, Officer Charleston? Investigator Charleston?
Yes, I'm trying to look it up now. That was V17.
B13708824. Well, this is an easy one because you were late on this one and Mr. Ligon was on time. I won't mark it dismiss no officer. I'll just mark it dismiss. That's B13708824 and B13708924. All right. Anything further? I don't hear any response.
Oh, that's
All
for
right,
Investigator Charleston. No.
All right, case dismissed. If there's nothing further, everybody be safe. Mr. Lagan, state your name for the record, please.
Marvin Douglas Lagan Jr.
All right, and your case is dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. If you have the dogs, if it's true, then you need to get the dogs licensed.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Best of luck to you.
Wow.
Be safe, Officer Investigator Charles. All right. Kamari Guard. Are you there? Kamari Omari Guard.
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Kamari Omari Guard, case number SP1739374, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Shakyra Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Kamari Omari Guard.
It takes time set for a pre-trial. Morning to you. And Ms. Harris, get Mr. Garth an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Garth, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room, Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right. Let's see, on the trial side, is Teak Reed here, Officer Teak Reed? I don't think I saw that officer check in. Latasha Lancaster?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Latasha Lancaster, case number SP1716941, SP1717139. Ms. Lancaster, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Latasha Lancaster.
I'm sorry, Latasha Lancaster. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Today is the date and time set for a trial / formal hearing. Teak Reed, he usually shows. I don't hear him, and I don't see him having been on my list. I'm going to dismiss the case now for no officer. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You too. Thank you so much.
Very much.
Bye. Thank you.
Alexa, can I meet you in a breakout room, please?
May I please have co-host, Your Honor?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, we're just waiting on a lawyer now. All right, are we ready on Garth? Let's go back on the record with Garth. And Mr. Garth, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
And Mr. Garth was able to present valid documentation.
Back to 1,000, aren't you? We'll dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, Mr. Garth. Best of luck to you. Okay.
Okay, you too, sir. Have a good one.
This is the city of Detroit versus Deja Shante Glaster, case number SP 108-61111, SP 172-5950, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 9304161. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Glaster, please state your name for the record. Your Honor, I will ask, as we're waiting for her to place her appearance, was an attorney requested?
Glaster, where are you? Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name. Glaster, Deja Glaster. All right, we're gonna pass the matter. What was going on with Mr. Corey Garrett? Mr. Garrett is the one that had his mom. Mr. Garrett, you're back?
Yes, I'm back.
Mr. Garrett, you didn't have to show back up. I told you, you handle your business with your mom.
Oh, okay. I was just making sure. I heard you say something about so
Let me go back on the record right quick with Mr. Garrett. I did have confirmation that you completed the 16 hours. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dismiss SP 88941, completed the dismiss. Completed community service, and then I'll dismiss, I'll close out SP 109-18451. And I'll allow a payment plan on the rest.
Hello.
On rest of tickets. Again, Mr. Grant, go handle your business, man. I'm really sympathize with you. I lost my mom. It's not a club that you want to be in, but I guess that's what happens. That's a part of life. So I really do sympathize with you. All right. All right. Best of luck to you, sir. And if you complete the more community service hours, feel free to join back in. Just make sure you get the proof to the court, and we'll address it accordingly. All right.
All right. Thank you so much.
I thank you. Mr. Berry, are we ready on Mr. Lott?
We are, Your Honor, ready.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lott. What is he? Does anything change?
Yes, we've had a thorough conversation, Your Honor, and what we seek now is a trial date and the appointment of counsel.
All right. I don't understand why you guys don't speak and tell your attorney everything about what's going on. That's the only way that they're really going to be fully able to advise you. Let's get a good phone number from you, sir.
313 727 with 737-2876.
313-737.
2876.
2876. I'm setting a pretrial date for the 19th of August. That date is set for you to make sure that an attorney has contacted you. If an attorney has not contacted you by that date, then on that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. All I need for you to do is answer the calls you don't recognize. Hopefully, one of those calls should be that appointed attorney, okay?
Yes, and I definitely appreciate you because I didn't have no help with like finishing. I was doing what I supposed to, but I ain't know the right route to take to get everything done. Like what I'm learning now.
That's an example of making sure that you let your lawyer know that's what they're here for.
He definitely just schooled me on some things. He definitely did.
All right, very good, sir. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great rest of your day, all right?
All right, and thanks again. And happy birthday to you too.
Well, it's October 2nd. It's October 2nd. You can bring me a birthday present too on October 2nd.
No problem.
All right. Best of luck to you.
All right, you too. Thanks.
All right. Yeah. This is the city of
Your Honor,
Detroit.
before you move on.
Well, wait a minute, Miss. Hold on. Let me get the please. This is the city of Detroit versus Roland Graham. Case number SP 1099921, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 17342601, SP 17343667, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, Mr. Berry, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Graham.
Roland Graham.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. He has one off-docket matter that I wouldn't have an issue with setting aside is an accident or something that relates to an accident. Is a civil infraction. It is failure to stop with the sure clear distance. All right, Mr. Berry, give Mr. Graham an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Graham, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial and put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
All right.
All right, pass the matter, Ms. Gaten Robinson.
Your Honor, I'm sorry if I was loud. I apologize. I was just trying to figure out some information for a street court evaluation for Mr. Godfrey.
Okay, so if he needs street court, I will call in Mr. Patel. He was here this morning.
Yes. So I don't know if it would be if street court or mental health court would be better for him, but I would like for him to be evaluated for street court if possible.
All right,
after my conversation with the prosecutor.
Let's get Mr. Patel in here then.
Okay, thank you.
Have anyone, Ms. Harris?
No, Your Honor. Using my quiet voice.
Shade.
I mean, there is a method to my madness, Miss Gaten Robinson. Let's call Jerome Guy. Jerome Guy. This is the city of Detroit versus Jerome Guy. Case number is this is SP 169-50441, SP 169-6049, counts 1, 2, and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name.
Where is Jerome Guy? He leave as well?
Yeah, he left.
Oh, here he is. Mr. Langsdale is watching everything. All right. Mr. Guys, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Jerome Guy.
All right, good morning to you. Day of date and time.
Good morning.
Set for a pre-trial. Mrs. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. I'm going to get let me get Mr. Oh, Glaster, Miss Gaten Robinson.
Yes.
Glaster. Where's Miss Glaster's? Did you give it to me? Deja Glaster. Did you give it to me?
Yes, Deja Glaster, 835.
And Ms. Gaten Robinson, this is the city of Detroit versus Deja Shante Glaster, case number SP 10861111, SP 17259550, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 9304161. Appearance for the record, please.
Deja Glaster.
Did I put it back over there? All right, good morning to you, ma'am. I have here. All right, Ms. Glaster, Ms. Gaten Robinson, can you put your appearance on the record for Ms. Glaster, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, P71733.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gaten Robinson, get Ms. Glaster an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Glaster, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know.
Your Honor, you have 4 matters for Ms. Glaster?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Arisco. Mr. Arisco, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're going to go forward with the matters, the 8 matters that are scheduled on the docket, and then we're going to ask that a not guilty plea is continued and have a pretrial date for the other 6 matters so discovery can be requested and received.
Are you going to be representing her on all those matters?
If my court appointment continues, I can.
Well, if you wanted to, I'm sure you're already representing her. I don't see why it shouldn't.
All right, then we'll continue.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. You want a pre-trial or trial date on these other tickets?
We want a pre-trial, Your Honor. Give us.
You want to tell this nigga to hold on? Oh, he got that great orange guy.
Pre-trial date will be August 19, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. for those matters.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And then for the what's the plea gonna be?
All right, so it's as follows. And again, she was advised of her rights, Your Honor. She did have a trial scheduled for today, but she's waiving that right to trial to enter a plea. She asks that you adopt the following recommendation. On the matter ending in 094, count 1, that would be amended to open alcohol passenger. On count 2 of that same matter, that would be amended to improper plates. Count 3 will be dismissed. Matters ending in 197, count 1 and count 2 will both be dismissed. Matter ending in 4342 will also be dismissed. 43 will be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence. And then count 1, that will be dismissed.
Let me see if I got it right. Open alcohol, improper plate, and add charge to transaction of marijuana and all the other matters dismissed for the ones that and the 5 other matters dismissed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other matters dismissed, and then the other matters that were not on the docket set for a pre-trial on the 19th of August at 8:30. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor. And with that transportation taken under a 3-month delayed sentence, we also asked, if possible, that all fines and costs can be under those same terms.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. You're sliding down a slippery slope. So I don't know when you're gonna get this together, but you keep catching cases.
I'm working on it. I'm not driving anymore right now until I take care of what I gotta take care of and get my insurance and stuff.
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to May the 3rd, 2025, at around 11:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lockwood and Michigan Avenue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Mr. Johnson, I guess I don't know if this has any relation to the other felony matter that she's facing.
Your Honor, unaware of any felony matter at this time.
You have a pending case? Ma'am?
I go to court August 4th for
Well,
probation.
let's see, it's not a felony matter. Oh, she pled no low contender on that assault and battery. So I don't know if it doesn't relate to this. It does actually. It's August the 3rd. I don't know if it's any relation to it or not, but it's a pled to. Were you in a motor vehicle around that date and time and had contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
I believe it was a beer.
You have to know, ma'am.
Yeah, it was a beer.
What kind of beer was it?
It was, I think, a Corona.
I don't think she really remembers what's going on with this incident. Do you recall being pulled over by that date and that time?
It was the Corona, yes, sir.
All right. And was it open?
Yes.
And was something in the container?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Mr. Johnson?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
And did the officer, was this your 2013 Chrysler?
Yes, sir.
And did you have insurance at that date and that time?
No, I didn't.
Find you guilty of the amended count of improper plate, $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. Find you guilty of the amended open alcohol in the motor vehicle passenger for the driving while Let me carry her for open alcohol, for having alcohol in the motor vehicle. Let me carry your attention back to May the 24th, 2025, around 10:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Burner and Dale Place. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Did you have some possession of some marijuana, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
And what did you do? What was transportation?
It was in my middle console when he said that you can't transport it like that. It has to be in your trunk or not in your car at all.
Is that satisfactory to you, counselor?
Was that when you say it was in your middle console? Is your middle console open and visible?
No, it's closed. It got a little door. It's closed. But he opened it up and found it in there.
Okay. On that one, Your Honor, I think that's with, and we do have an officer, I believe, here on that one as well.
It's written under 750474. 750474.
One moment, John.
Now, how much marijuana did you have? Well, let me ask you this. That's not only, don't answer that. I'll let you speak with your attorney. I'll see. It states that no person shall transport or possess usable marijuana in or upon a motor vehicle or a self-propelled vehicle designed for land travel unless the usable marijuana is enclosed in a case that is carried in the trunk of the vehicle. You learn something new every day.
Yes, Your Honor. So I think based upon that, I think we can continue with the plea. Defense is satisfied.
And you would agree that that was readily accessible to you in that vehicle, correct?
Excuse me?
You would agree that marijuana was readily accessible to you when you had it in that vehicle, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of as charged to the illegal possession or transportation of the marijuana, and with stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters that we indicated on the record.
Defense will stipulate probable cause on those matters.
All right, and 240, 240, and 240. One will be dismissed upon payment. The other will be dismissed 3-month delayed sentence on the transportation of marijuana. And then the other 240, you just have to pay that. That'll remain on your record. I'm going to give you until October 28th. Now, if you get any more trouble like this, then that delayed sentence is going to go away before October 28th. You need to pay it and not get in any more trouble, or that's going to stay on your record as well. You understand, ma'am?
I understand, sir.
You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Glaster has a valid license, Ms. Gaten Robinson.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Roland Graham. Mr. Graham, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date so that he might return with documents.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Grant?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you a trial date on August the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. Oh, and the officers for Roscoe are free to leave. Y'all be safe out there. Have a very good day, if you haven't left already. Overweg, Isaac Overweg, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Isaac Avery Overweg, case number SP 1734398, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Overweg.
Isaac Overweg.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Overweg an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you, sir.
Who let the Motorola in? Who's on the Motorola? Moto G. Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name. Good morning to you.
Who?
The Motorola Moto G. What's your name, sir? Unmute yourself, please.
This is Rondelle Glenn, Mr. Perkins. How you doing?
You're very well. Rondelle Glenn.
Yeah.
Good morning to you. All right, let's go with let's go back on the record with Mr. Guy. Mr. Guy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Guy?
Yes.
The trial date is going to be August the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
August 21st, correct?
Yes.
All right, thank you,
9
sir.
a.m.
You
All right,
enjoy your
thank you.
day as well.
Thank you.
All right.
Tyler Gibbs.
Your Honor,
Yes.
this is Officer Marin for the Orozco case. Am I still needed for this?
No, you're not. Be safe out there, officer. Have a very good day, all right?
Just to double check, guilty for the marijuana transportation, dismiss the others?
Yes. And no, guilty for the open alcohol. Oh, you're talking about on your tickets? Yes.
Yes, my ticket, yes.
Yes. All right, be safe.
Thank you, sir.
Do we need a Spanish interpreter?
Do we need a Spanish interpreter? No, not that I know of.
So we got one.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Tyler, strike that, this is the state of Michigan versus Tyler Gibbs, case number SX 4538502, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris. Chair Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gibbs, please state your name for the record.
Tyler Gibbs.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Miss Harris, give Miss Gibbs an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Miss Gibbs, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Glaster. Miss Glaster, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Ms. Glaster does have valid documentation of her insurance registration and license was ran. She does have a valid license. With regards to all of her matters, they are going to be dismissed for valid documentation. With regards to the open alcohol in the motor vehicle, the officer no longer shows in the DPD contact system. And so instead of having her come back for another date for the officer not to appear, the prosecutor is dismissing the matter in the interest of justice.
Okay.
That's you.
That's Deja Glaster. That's not has nothing. I don't know who this gentleman is talking.
Ms.
Glaster, your video is supposed to be on.
Yes,
He wants to
I'm
take
here.
that deal. He
Turn
wants
your
to take
video
that deal
on.
all day. All right, I'm gonna waive the warrant fee. You'll pay any reinstatement fee, of which I see two. If it's $45 a piece, you pay that here at the court. And if there's nothing further, Ms. Glaster, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Kenan Lions. Kenan Lions. Kenan Lions.
Kenan Lions.
Kenan Lions, I'm sorry, sir. Good morning to you.
Morning.
City of Detroit versus Kenan Lions, case number Z8096881. Appearing for the record, please.
Preparing for what?
Appearance
He
for the
didn't say
record.
paying for anything. He said appearance. Say your name, please, sir.
Kenan Owens Lions.
Attorney
All right.
Phyllis Gate Robinson, on behalf of Mr. Lyons.
Mr. Lyons, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for, what is it set for? A pre-trial?
Yeah.
Just a bond on this. I don't think you've been in front of me yet, have you, Mr. Lyons?
Been in front of you?
Yes, for this case.
I haven't. No.
It's your first time appearance? All right,
Yeah.
I'm gonna give him a $500 personal bond. I'm gonna order him to test one time per week. No leaving the state of Michigan without the court's permission. And obviously no drinking during the pendency of this case.
All right.
I'm gonna refer this matter to probation. I need a good phone number from you, sir.
412 285 6509.
That's good.
Hello.
I'm gonna give you the number two is he on the phone?
No, Your Honor, somebody else's background was talking. I muted them.
All right, I'm gonna give you the number two probation, just so you'll have it. You shouldn't have to call them, they should call you. 313-965-3414. Are you going to hire your own lawyer, or you wanna go with a court-appointed lawyer?
A court-appointed lawyer.
All right, I'm gonna mark the file need appointed attorney. I'm gonna have you back next week. Because of the nature of the allegation, I want to make sure that attorney gets to you sooner rather than later. And today is Monday. I expect a test this week and every week thereafter until the case is dismissed or pled to, or I have a motion in front of me to adjust the bond. So if there's any diluted or positive test for alcohol, we're gonna up the ante on the bond. You understand that, sir?
I understand, but where are you gonna find me? Like, how you gonna get in touch with me?
Where are you now?
I'm in Michigan. You know?
So what do you mean? How am I gonna get in touch with you?
How you gonna get these P drops?
You're gonna come down to the courthouse and do it.
You know how far I live?
I don't know.
So what is, like, we gotta have another date or what?
So,
because
Your Honor, can I please have an opportunity to speak with my client in the breakout room?
Breakout room.
Okay.
So you can get it, fully explain to him what's going on.
I will.
All right.
All right, Mr. Lyons, you're about to get a.
Miss Gaten Robinson is gonna speak to you in the breakout room, all right? All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gibbs, I'm sorry. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gibbs. Miss Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? She can't even talk.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, my client is requesting a trial date.
That's her neighbor too. Trial date. Did he live in Westland too? I don't know. All right. You want a trial date? Ms. Gibbs ain't not trying to hear that stuff. She's ready to get out of here. Ms. Gibbs, you want a trial date, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right, come back August the 25th, 2025. No, strike that. August the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
What is that? Leiter? Carly? Did I get the pronunciation correct?
I'm here. Yep, it's Carly Leiter.
Okay, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit. Versus Carly Leiter, case number SB 1730478, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yep, I'm here.
Shakyra Harris, on behalf of Ms. Leiter, please state your name for the record.
Carly Leiter.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, give Ms. Leiter an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Leiter, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, please. I'm checking the license down this side. It's valid, Ms. Harris. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Overweg. Mr. Overweg, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Overweg?
Yes, sir.
Come back on August the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that date one more time, please?
August 21st at 9 a.m.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You have a better one, thank you. It's the city of Detroit versus Nei Gazi, case number SP 1721981, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Overweg Avery Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gazi.
Allah Nei Gazi.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gazi does have a valid license, Mr. Berry. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gazi, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Mr. Patel, are
Hello?
you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Christian Godfrey Bruton. Mr. Christian Godfrey Bruton, Mr. Patel, can you state your name and can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. J.S. Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Godfrey. Mr. Godfrey Brewer, can you please state your name for the record?
Christian Godfrey Bruton.
All right, and have you been able to establish the fact that Mr. Godfrey Bruton is a candidate and wants to participate?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. I've created a file for him and made a plan for him to contact our case manager here.
All right, Mr. Godfrey Bruton, what I'm going to say to you is I know this is maybe one of the most trying times in your life. I'm going to be praying for you that you get through this, and I know you will. But despite I know the light at the end of the tunnel may not be so bright right now, but with some perseverance and you'll get through it, and the light will shine brighter. I always leave you with this quote. Dr. Martin Luther King said the true test of man is when he, not in the times of comfort and convenience, but the times of challenges and controversies. And I recognize that this might be one of the most trying times in your young life. So this is your test, sir. I'm going to give you a pretrial date of September 29, 2025 at 8:30. I know that you'll get through it. I don't know when. I'm going to pray that it's sooner rather than later. All right.
I appreciate that, Judge.
All right, best of luck to you, sir, and have a very good rest of your day. You're in good hands with Mr. Patel, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So, that's very good. All right, have a good day, both of you. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Thomas Owens, you missed the bus. Hand me Thomas Owens' file.
Missed the bus.
Yeah, you're late. We called the case. It was a failure to appear. I'm gonna change it. You need to get in touch with Attorney Soroki. I'm just gonna give you another date. That's
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
It's Kenneth Owens. Okay. All right. You have Mr. So he's trying to call you multiple times today.
Yeah, my phone, Your Honor, it's been acting on its own thing. Like, I have no missed calls. This is crazy.
All right, do you have, let me get the number for you again. I'm gonna give it to Mr. Soroka.
313-265-5695. And if I can't be reached there, I can be reached at 313-290-5122.
5122.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm resetting this to August the 21st. That's 313-265-5695 and 313-290-5122. What I'll do, just sit tight. Let me see if we can. Let's see if we can get the parties back in here. Let's see if we can do that.
Okay.
Or else we'll find out from Miss Snyder if she can get call Mr. Soroka and tell him. All right. Are we ready on? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Leiter. Ms. Leiter, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, was the court able to confirm the status of her license?
License is valid.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases, Ms. Leiter, providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You as well. This is the City of Detroit versus Chernell Evette Greer. Case numbers SP 1728256, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Shakyra Harris, on behalf of Ms. Greer, please state your name.
Chernell Greer.
Good morning to you again, ma'am. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, See if you can get Ms. Greer an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Greer, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Go in the breakout room and let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lyons. Mr. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel.
Yeah.
Okay. You understand what's going on now, sir?
Yeah.
You have to speak out loud.
Yeah. Yes, I do. Yeah.
Let me ask you this. Are you in Westland?
Yeah.
That's not that far. I thought you were on the other side of the state or something.
I'm in Detroit, Westland, not Detroit.
I know. All right. So you understand what's going on? Let me set a pretrial date for next week. I'm doing this so soon so that I know that you got that appointed attorney to contact you. Come back on August the 4th. August the 4th, yeah. Answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by August the 4th, when your next court date, we're gonna call one in on the spot for you, okay?
Yeah.
Should we call one on the spot right now?
Yeah.
All right, come on back.
Your Honor, and I
4th.
just want for clarity purposes, he's going to be contacted by probation to start his drops, correct?
Yes, now, to get that understanding, if you don't hear from probation before the end of this week, don't wait until Friday and say, they didn't call me, I couldn't test. If you don't hear from them, you need to let us know on Wednesday or something like that. You know how to get in touch with the court. I gave you the number to probation. Start making phone calls, all right? Because I expect to test this week.
This week.
Did you get the probation number written down? Because you had just grabbed your pen when we were talking.
Yeah, I need the number. My bad. I do need the number.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
It's 313.
Yeah.
965.
965.
Yeah, 3414.
3414.
Yeah, if there's nothing further, I'll see you back next week, all right?
Okay, this is the probation office?
That's the probation office number. You shouldn't have to call them. I gave you that number just in case it gets toward the end of the week, then you need to start making some calls, and you can always zoom back into the court, and we can help you out and get in contact with them if they haven't contacted you. But they should contact you.
Okay.
All right, anything further, Mr. Lyons?
Not that I know of, nope.
All right, very well. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Yeah.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. Miss Avery Robinson versus Isabelle Lauramman, case number SP 1739445, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Here. Attorney Phyllis Gayden Robinson. I didn't hear her last name, Your Honor.
Lauramman. Miss Lauramman, next time you come to court, you need to be covered up a little bit better than that, all right?
I'm sorry.
All right. Isabelle Lauramman.
Okay, I found her on my list, Your Honor. Do you have 2 matters for her?
I have 2 matters. What I do have is she pled, I guess there's been 2 limited access tickets that she agreed to $125 a piece, and then $25 a piece for insurance, no proof. So those are matters I think have already been adjudicated. So we're just talking about a no insurance misdemeanor and expired plate. Miss Lauramman, Miss Gayden Robinson is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Thank you. Yep.
Join the room, please.
Your Honor, what's the total that she has outstanding to the court?
She has right now, without the expired plate, well, 125, 125, that's 250, 275. And that expired plate is we'll see what happens with that.
Okay, thank you.
All right, pass the matter. And let's go back on the record with Mr. Gazi. Mr. Gazi, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to blockading for the limited access 6 to 10.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gazi?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea in your client's behalf, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Gazi?
As soon as you want me to.
Today?
Not a problem, as long as I get the app name.
All right, I'll give you until tomorrow to make sure you get it in. Pay it at any DIV that, that's D-I-V-D-A-T, kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIV that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways that I can tell you to pay it. There are other ways online and things like that. But if there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. Make sure it's paid by the 29th tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Jackson Langsdale. Case number SP 1730549, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1730600, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood
Good
Berry
morning,
Jr.
Your Honor.
On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Langsdale.
State your full name for the record to you. Good morning to you, Mr. Langsdale. State your name for the record.
Scott Langsdale.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Give Mr. Langsdale an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Langsdale, you have an absolute right to a trial. If you don't like the offer, let us know. We'll set a trial date for you. Mr. Berry and Mr. Langsdale, if you plead as charged to that replication of firearm, you're gonna have to at least take a gun safety course, will be part of the sentence, all right?
All right.
Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Attorney Soroki, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Owens is here. I don't know if you can get the other parties back or not. He said he had trouble with his phone. We'll put Mr. Owens in breakout room 6. You can talk to Ms. Snyder in breakout room 4 and see what you can do. All right. If not, I got another date set for the 21st of August. Are you driving, sir? Are you driving?
For me?
Mr. Glenn, Rondelle Glenn?
Yeah, man, I'm sitting out in the sun, buddy. I'm trying to grab me something to eat.
All right, don't drive in court.
I'm not gonna be driving, buddy, when I'm in court, all right? Just call me.
No, listen, I'm not your buddy, okay? First of all, but at the end of the day, if you're driving right now, you're not supposed to be driving, okay?
Yeah, but how long am I gonna be sitting here? I haven't spoke to no defense attorney.
I don't know how long you're gonna be sitting there. You're waiting. If you came on time, you would have heard me. I said I'm gonna try to get you out as fast as I can.
It's all good, man. Listen, it's all good.
Listen, don't cut me off. Are you driving your car right now?
I'm gonna park my car, but man, I can't be sitting out in the sun.
I'm putting you out of the room.
Put me out of the room?
Yes, for driving in court. All right, come back when you get in a safe location.
Mr. Perkins, I just wanted to know, I'm Shakyra Owens. I was trying to see if they gave you my file yet.
You coming up?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't want you to go here and get angry on me again.
No, I'm not getting angry. I'm not getting angry. I was just asking.
Get this file from down there. I want to see why I told her to go to anger management. Is that it? It is. Yeah. Let's see what this says. Where's the anger management? You're done with it?
No, I think I have like 6 more weeks to go. Actually, I wasn't even subscribed no probation officer to tell me how long I was supposed to be in anger management. So I just did the 12 weeks like they said. And then I paid for my gun course and everything. They sent it to your email, they said, and I was completed with that.
You missed court. You were supposed to be here months ago.
No, I didn't. I came to court. That's when you had gave me the anger management and the gun course.
All right, we'll see when I play you now. Oh, boy.
And you had gave me the $500 to pay. I paid my $500.
What did did you send it to me or did they send it to me?
They sent it to you, but I still have it in my email if you want me to resend it. Are you talking about for the gun course?
Yes, let me see. Let me put my email address in the chat. You send that to me.
You say you want me to resend it?
Email address in it. There it is. All right. Who are we ready on? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lauramman. Ms. Lauramman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, it's a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor, she has valid docs that she showed to me. And with regards to her outstanding balance to the court of $275, she's going to pay that today.
I'm going to dismiss the case, ma'am. Provide valid documentation. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Is that Tanaiya Griffin? Did I get the pronunciation correct, ma'am? Ms. Griffin here. Unmute yourself, start your camera.
Oh, it's Shana, Judge.
Shana?
Hello.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Hello.
Well, all right. This is the city of Detroit versus Shana Lynn Griffin, case number SP 17138.
I don't know if she can hear us, Your Honor. Can you?
I can hear him.
Okay.
I can hear him.
Okay.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shana Lynn Griffin, case number SP 1713844, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phil.
Sorry.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, can you please state your name for the record?
Shakyra Griffin.
All right, good morning to you. Day, date, time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gayton Robinson, get Ms. Griffin an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Griffin, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Go ahead.
Court is done for today.
Ms. Griffin,
No.
you're gonna go in the breakout room and we're gonna talk. You gotta follow the instructions.
Okay.
All
Yep. You should have
Join
a
the
prompt.
I see.
Join. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding my client wants to admit responsibility to using the handheld device while driving. I did advise that the city attorney just wanted an opportunity to speak with the officer regarding that matter, but she wishes to admit responsibility to that one, with the remaining matters being dismissed for compliance.
You want to plead, ma'am? You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Take the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with those stipulations, Ms. Greer is like, that $100 not worth my time. I'm gonna go ahead and pay that and get it. All right, that's it. She's flush with cash. I'll find you responsible. As charged is driving on cell phone, $100. When can you pay it, man?
In the next week.
I thought she talked about she's gonna have a pocket full of money right now and is gonna pay it.
I can pay it later today, but I gotta go do somebody's hair first.
All right, pay it by August the 4th, paying the any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways. I can tell you that, man, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Right. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris, versus Lee Greer Jr. Case number SP1730955, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1730957, appearing for the record, please.
Shakyra Harris on behalf of defendant Greer. Please state your name for the record.
Barry Lee Greer.
Found it.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Date and time set for a pretrial. Put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right.
Okay.
Pass the matter. All right. Lee Greer has a valid driver's license. All right. Are we ready on Ms. Griffin?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin,
what is she
giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Your client wants a bench trial date?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't see anything here that's affecting her from getting a license. I don't know what
She
your
has
record
the
looks
Secretary of State appointment, Your Honor, for August the 5th.
Very good. All right, Ms. Greer, come back on October, strike that. Come back on August 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you on that license, okay?
Thank you.
All right, have a great day.
All right, have a great one, young lady.
You too. You said at 11:30?
No, at 9 a.m. on August the 21st.
Okay. Have the rest of your day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
This is Henry Gray.
Yes, I'm here.
City of Detroit versus Henry Lee Greer Jr. Case number SB 11877-121, SB 1739322, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
My name's Henry Gray.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson. Mr. Gray, what is your full name, sir?
My name is Henry Lee Gray Jr.
Are you a junior? Are you a senior? Are you the third?
Junior.
Okay, yeah, you got to put all of that on the record, okay, sir?
All right, my name
Your
is
Honor,
Henry
I have
Lee
three
Gray
matters.
Jr.
Did you call?
I called. Go ahead. Henry Lee Greer Jr. You put his name on the record. I called 4 cases into the record. The other case was an older failure to tarp load case. Okay. I'll clear on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gray, Miss Gayton Robinson is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jackson Scott Langdale. Mr. Berry, Mr. Langdale, one of the appointed attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that true, Mr. Langdale?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right, 248-254-2294 is the best number to reach you?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for August 19th, 2025 at 8:30. That date is set to make sure that appointed attorney has contacted you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney has not contacted you by August the 21st, we're gonna get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
All right, sounds good.
Right,
you said the 19th, not the 21st.
The 19th, yes.
All right.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good
is this also a Zoom meeting?
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy early birthday. Have a good one.
Thank you. I should see you back before that, long before that. Thank you, though.
Oh, yeah, I'll be back. Hopefully we get this stuff resolved.
We will. All right, have a good day, sir.
You too.
All right, City of Detroit versus Shakyra Owens. Case number SB 165-93831 and U59454-021. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Owens.
And Shakyra Owens.
Shakyra Owens. Okay. And what I do have is I just got to completion of your gun safety course.
Yes, I'm still in the anger management.
All right. When are you, what was the, let me see, what was the nature of your offense? When you discharged the firearm at the tire, oh, that's why I gave you the anger management. You let somebody get to you so bad that you shot at their tires.
Yes, sir. Yes, I did. Anger management actually has been also helping me. So I'm glad that I'm in anger management, to be honest.
You know something, Ms. Owens, when you say that, and I try to identify things that are not as well, it is a little bit of a punishment because that's what it's all about, retribution and rehabilitation. But when we send people to anger management, when I do that, I haven't had a person yet say that it did not help them. So I'm glad to hear you saying that it did help me. Okay. And you have another case here that's in the park after dark. I don't know when.
You guys said it. Yeah, you said last time I was here, you said you was gonna dismiss that one, and I was just gonna pay the $500, which I paid with you guys already.
You did, and you're exactly right. All right. That's dismissed. I'm gonna waive warranty. Now, SP 1659381. When will you complete the anger management course?
I have 6 more weeks. So like the end of August, I believe.
Come back September 8th, all right?
Okay.
And make sure that that course gets to me so we can get you out of here sooner rather than later. September 8th, all right? Ms. Owens, if there's nothing further, I mean, not guilty plea on her behalf, I'm gonna give her a $0 bond and have a very good day. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
You as well. Appreciate you.
All right, thank you. Mr. Soroki, let me get Mr. Berry started on the next person. Derek's iPhone.
Yep, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you, sir. What's your full name?
Derek Gibson.
We have Detroit versus Derek Matthew Gibson. Case number SP 172-86841, SP 172-8715, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Berry, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Derek Gibson.
All right, today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Gibson an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gibson, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? That's the matter. Mr. Soroki, are you ready on Kenneth Owens, Thomas Owens, Kenneth Thomas Owens? I can't hear you.
Yes, Your Honor. I've spoken to the prosecutor. I have an offer which I know my client's not going to accept.
All right, come back on August the 21st then.
August 21st at 9 o'clock.
9 a.m. Let Ms. Snyder know that as well.
Okay, thank you.
Let Mr. Owens know that as well. Mr. Owens, you heard that. Here comes Ms. Snyder now.
Yes, I heard it, Your Honor.
Say that again.
Yes, I heard it, Your Honor.
Very good.
Okay. Thank you,
Ms.
Your
Snyder,
Honor.
we're going to reset Owens for August the 21st at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor. I will reach out to the witness and to animal control. If there's any issues with scheduling, I'll reach out to Attorney Soroki in the court as soon as possible.
Okay.
Very well.
Thank you.
All right, be safe out there, Mr. Owens and Mr. Soroki. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Henry Lee Gray Jr. Mr. Henry Lee Gray Jr., I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gray needs time to gather his documents that he does have, so we're going to set this matter for a bench trial.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Gray Jr.?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on August 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m., sir. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Christopher Gibson. Good morning to you, sir. What's your middle name?
Wendell.
Yes. Mr. Gating Robinson, this is the city of Detroit versus Christopher Wendell Gibson, case number SP 1722758, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1722781. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson, P71733 on behalf of Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, please state your name for the record.
I'm Christopher Wendell Gibson.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Miss Gaten Robinson, get Mr. Gibson an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gibson, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Miss Robinson, Gaten Robinson. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, is there a SOS in Mr. Gibson's file?
It is, no license is suspended.
Okay, thank you.
I don't see anything here that's affecting his license. He has a suspension. It says out of the 36 district court. Let's see. It doesn't seem like he owes anything for that matter.
Your Honor, did he fall off? Did we lose him?
No, he probably went to the breakout room.
I don't see him in any of the breakout rooms. Oh, he's coming back in.
Hello.
Hold on a second, you're excited. All right, let's go with, he's joining SP 16764653. That is affecting his license. He paid that ticket, and that ticket should, we need to send a note, or that he didn't pay that ticket was dismissed. We should, this note gotta be sent to the abstract clerk.
Does he have a reinstatement fee associated with that ticket, Your Honor?
No.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna send a note to the abstract clerk. That is the only ticket I see that is affecting his driver's license. Can you send a note to the abstract clerk for this?
Okay.
Let's get that in ASAP. Get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gibson, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Derek Gibson. Mr. Derek Gibson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, I do.
August the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, Casey Gage, are you there?
Yes, sir, Judge.
Good morning to you, sir. Need to turn the camera on. This is the city of Detroit versus Casey Lamar Gage. Case number SP 173-48791. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gage.
Casey Lamar Gage, Sr.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gage, Mr. Berry's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Barry Lee Greer Jr. for the second. Mr. Barry Lee Greer the second. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date.
Not really, I don't know, I'm getting I'll give you a trial date, Mr. Greer, for August the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. I got 7 trials, right? 8.
Okay, on your schedule.
All right, thank you, sir.
Best of luck to you. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Ishmael Galarza Roman, case number SP 171-75641. Appearance for the record, please.
Shakyra Harris on behalf of Mr. Galarza, please state your name for the record.
Hello, my name is Ismael Galarza.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a show cause. Ms. Harris, purpose of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that if there are any warrants that they be recalled.
You will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, Mr. Galarza. Give you a $0 bond and put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Is Des here? Des is not here.
Where's Glenn?
Mr. Glenn, please. You interrupt me one more time, you're coming in person, all right? Who are we ready on?
Mr. Gage, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gage. Mr. Gage, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We seek dismissal for providing valid document.
Gage, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Enjoy your birthday.
Thank you. Have a good day. Laird?
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. What is your first name?
Devin.
Devin, D-I-V?
D-E-V-I-N.
D-E-V-I-N?
D-E-V-I-N.
Just I-N. Okay,
Yes.
all right. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
City of Detroit versus Devin Lawrence Leair, case number SP 1722955, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Laird, for the record.
Devin Laird.
All right, today the time set for a trial. I did see Corporal Baker appear. You see if he left any notes. No notes. Case dismissed, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Likewise.
Valita Lane.
Good morning. Yes, Judge.
Good morning. City of Detroit versus Lane, Valita Lane, correct?
That's correct.
City of Detroit versus Valita Lane, case numbers SP 1663579, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 17319-381, SB 1731943, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lane.
Valita Manette Lane.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial on the 173 cases. But Ms. Lane has 2 cases that are older that are in status. Those cases show cause hearing 310, it just never got rescheduled. So, Mr. Berry, get Ms. Lane an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lane, if you don't like the offer, you have an applicant right to a trial. So the 2 off-docket matters, Mr. Berry, are a driver license suspended, repeat offender, and unregistered untitled. Ms. Lane, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on her behalf on those 2 cases. Give her a $0 bond. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out when I send you the prompt, Ms. Lane. Join the room.
Okay,
please.
thank you, Your Honor. Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Galarza. Mr. Galarza, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, we actually need an interpreter, and if we could have a Spanish interpreter, it would be appreciated.
Spanish interpreter, please, Mr. Galarza. All right, let's pass the matter. We'll get an interpreter as soon as we can. Rudy Lister.
How you doing, Your Honor? Good morning.
Good morning to you. Uh-oh. What is your, are you Rudy Lister III?
Yes, Rudy Valentez Lister III.
City of Detroit versus Rudy Valentez Lister III, case number SB 1030291, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 9489741. SB 1186033, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1216603, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1227257, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1244564, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 1533255, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1738422, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1738506 and 184091911. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, that's me, Shakyra Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lister. Please state your name.
Rudy Valentez Lister III.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that any warrants be recalled.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. There's only 1 case on the docket. Can you look this up, or you? A no ops, unregistered untitled, no insurance misdemeanor. The license improper. License improper. No ops. Unregistered untitled. Drove while license suspended. Drove while license suspended. Unregistered untitled. No insurance misdemeanor. Drove while license suspended. Plates. Unregistered untitled. Drove while license suspended. Repeat offender. No insurance misdemeanor. Improper lane use. And improper equipment. count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 cases into the record. Mr. Lister, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. In mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And with all of those cases I counted into the record, there's nothing that I see that is affecting Mr. Lister to get a valid driver's license if he does not already have one. All right? Put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris, let us speak to Mr. Lister. All right. Let's pass the matter to joint, please. Go ahead.
Thank you.
All right. All right, who are we ready on? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? Bench trial.
Yeah, we're gonna set Mr. Gibson's matters for trial.
Is that what you want, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, sir.
All right, come back on August 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
Mr. Gibson, you're gonna have to make sure you're in a place with better reception. Because if they need to identify you, they're gonna have to be able to identify you, sir.
Also, it's on Zoom.
Yes, on Zoom. You can come on Zoom, but you gotta have good reception.
All right. Well, I know where to go.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, sir.
Hold on. You said August 22nd?
August 22nd.
At 9
a.m., yes.
All righty. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Best of luck to you. Right. Mr. Rondelle Glenn's license, please. City of Detroit versus Rondelle Glenn. Case number SP 11-54208, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11-54212, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 14-82930, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 172-0494, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172-0600, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 172-0615, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 173-0688, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 173-0696-1. State of Michigan versus Rondelle Glenn. Case number SX 3397163-1. SX 3630039, 1, SX 3639504, 1, 18443135, Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rondelle Glenn. Mr. Glenn, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Rondelle Glenn.
Your Honor, I don't know how many tickets that was you just read off. I only have 3 on my docket.
Yeah, Mr. Glenn doesn't have any respect for the court. I see he's exhibited disrespect for the court, and he's.
Wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. What you talking about?
You wait a minute. You wait a minute.
I'm going to the judicial tender commission.
You wait a minute.
I don't want you to remove yourself from my case, bro. I'm 58
there
years old.
That's the
I don't know what it is about me and you, bro.
That's the disrespect.
Mr. Glenn, can you please be quiet for one? Mr. Glenn, as the attorney who's trying to help you, can you please be quiet for a moment? The first issue that you have is you should not be driving on Zoom. Park the car, please. You cannot drive on Zoom. This is the definition of distracted driving.
He should not be driving at all. He's already indicated to the court that he's driving when he was driving while in court. I asked Mr. Glenn that if he's driving, he said he's driving to go in to get something to eat, I believe. So now
Mr. Glenn wasn't driving. Somebody was driving for me. I'm with somebody. What do you mean? What do you mean, man?
I'm gonna
Is that
order
how you
Mr.
gonna just-
Glenn.
I'm 58
Mr.
years old, bro.
Glenn,
Look,
Mr. Glenn,
choose yourself from
I'm
okay,
trying to help you. Can you please
Why are you
just
reading
wait
off
a
all
minute?
these tickets from 20 years ago when it's only 3? You know what I'm saying? There's something.
Sir, stop, Mr. Glenn, stop, so I can help you. I'm trying my very best to help you. You
Go
got
ahead,
a
go
chip
ahead,
on
go
your
ahead, go
shoulder,
ahead.
but it's not. Sir,
Go
give
ahead,
me a minute. I'm gonna try to take you in a breakout room and talk to you before you make your circumstance worse. Just be quiet until you get there, please.
Yeah, okay.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Glenn, Mr. Glenn, after you finish talking to him, I'm gonna give him a pretrial date for tomorrow. Mr. Glenn has to come into court in person.
Fine, fine. I'm going to the Judicial Tender Commission because you're very impartial. You're not about to try to embarrass me in court like
Mr.
that, man.
Glenn, stop.
Reading out all
Mr.
those tickets
Glenn,
when we only got
let me
3.
just ask you to be
Listen,
quiet so I can help you.
I'm going to file a complaint
That's
today.
fine. You can do whatever you want, but
You're not about to
do
try to
you want
embarrass
my
me
help,
like that
yes
and be
or no?
disrespectful to me and think I'm going to sit up and take that.
Mr.
What's wrong
Glenn,
with him? Man, you
Mr.
tripping.
Glenn,
And he come to
Your
court
Honor,
properly
can I please?
dressed. Don't come to court in a sleeveless shirt. Come to court properly dressed.
Your Honor, can I please have a moment to talk to Mr. Glenn? I muted you because you're not making it better. Just be quiet.
It doesn't matter what you say to him. He's gonna take an anger management class too.
Your Honor, I'm
All
gonna
right.
move Mr. Glenn to another breakout room.
Very good.
He's the Motorola device.
Yes. Move past the matter. Tell him to come to court properly dressed, Ms. Gates.
Mr. Glenn, you should have a prompt to come to go to breakout room 5. Go to breakout room 5. Look at your device, Mr. Glenn. You should have a prompt on your screen to go to breakout room 5. Just click OK. All right, Mr. Glenn, I'm gonna send you a different prompt. Just when you see the room number pop up, please just click OK. You're going to room 8.
All right, let's pass
Just
the
click
matter.
OK.
In person tomorrow, Miss. Let's
I
pass the
understand, Your
matter.
Honor.
Let's
You
go
want him
back
here
on.
at 9 a.m.?
No, 8:30.
Am I releasing him?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want to, but.
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lane. Ms. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Lane?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
August the 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Ms. Lane, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You have a blessed one as well. Happy pre-birthday, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. All right, best of luck to you, Ms. Lane.
Thank you so much.
Can I get
Always
this?
gonna be a little, there's always gonna be a drama in here. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes, he's trying to follow this one.
It's always gonna be a little drama in here.
Yeah, this
License, this.
That goes with the, yeah, that goes with the case.
He's driving, he missed his drive.
And he was on suspended license, he should have been getting. He said it.
Something's wrong.
He said he was driving.
Yeah.
He said he
Said he was
was going to
driving.
get some folks. And then he called and told you. And he was driving again when he came back.
Yeah, then he says somebody was driving him. He's a liar too.
Yeah, and he called fussing too.
I need to check my mail.
Oh, okay. I'm checking. What are the keys? I can get it looked up. Miss Maria Cox. I'm bringing her in.
Right now.
Yes, that's her Spanish.
Ms. Cox?
Yes, I'm here. Good morning.
Morning, can you, or good afternoon now, can you state your name to the record, please?
Maria Cox, COX.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret the matter now before the court not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, let's recall the city of Detroit versus Ishmael Galarza Roman, case number SP 171-75641. Appear for the record, please.
Llamando otra vez el caso de Ismael Galarza, SP 175641. Por favor, digan sus nombres para las escrituras.
Buenas tardes, Ismael Galarza Roman.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
El abogado es Barry Jr., representando al acusado.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Con el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente se queda en silencio.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Ok, nos van a mandar a un cuarto privado. El juez dijo que ahí el abogado le va a decir cuál es la oferta y que tenga en mente de que si no le gusta la oferta, no la tiene que aceptar.
Ok.
Okay. En su pantalla ve una invitación, por favor acepte.
He's in there.
Okay, I will go there.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lister. Mr. Lister, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, first, we would hope that the court could confirm the status of his license. I will also add that he was able to present valid insurance and registration. Provided his license is valid, the offer would be he could admit responsibility to the improper equipment with the remaining matters dismissed.
License is valid. You're saying the matter is dismissed for providing valid documentation? And what?
Yes, Your Honor, and he would admit to the improper equipment. Provided his license was valid, 18 matters dismissed, he would admit responsibility on 1 improper equipment.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf?
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
All right. With those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the, as charged, the improper equipment. Dismiss the other matters. I'll waive the warrant fees, still pay any reinstatement fees. He still owes a lot of other civil infractions, just to let him know that. And when can you pay the 120, sir?
I can pay it today at the moment.
All right, well, you got a lot of other stuff. So why don't you do this? Why don't you, I'm gonna give you 30 days to either pay it or get into a payment plan, all right?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
I waived the warrant fees and you'll have to pay, I don't see too many, couple of reinstatement, well, more than a couple, but some reinstatement fees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But just get it together before August the 28th, 2025. You don't have to return, just get it together, all right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Ms. Gaten Robinson, are you still dealing with Mr. Glenn?
Your Honor, Mr. Glenn was not the easiest to try to talk to or get to reason with. He has indicated to me, is he still in the breakout room? He told me he was coming down to the court today. He doesn't understand why he has to come tomorrow, so he's coming down to talk to the chief judge today, which I told him that is absolutely his right. He could. He felt like you were picking on him by calling out his older tickets. I explained to him that that is your process and the process of many judges down there, that when people have outstanding matters, if they are on your docket, you will pull all of their matters in an attempt to be efficient. And you've done that with multiple clients of mine this morning to try to reassure him that that was not you picking on him. He didn't understand why you were bringing up old stuff. So I explained to him that that's you trying to be efficient because he had multiple tickets in front of the court outside of the 3 that were on the docket. I indicated to him that he was supposed to be here tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning.
He's here. Let me bring him. Hold on. Let me pass it right quick. Let me get Mr. Galarza out of here. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Galarza. Mr. Galarza, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Señor Galarza, le di la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado. Abogado, ¿cómo vamos a proceder?
Your Honor, my client wishes to have a bench trial date where he might return with documents.
Su honoría, mi cliente quiere pedir un juicio en banca con el juez nada más, donde él pueda presentar el documento adecuado.
Mr. Glenn, you're yelling at me.
All right, I'm going to give you a trial date of August the 22nd, 2025 at 9 a.m., Mr. Galarza. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
So, Your Honor, this is the interpreter. August 22nd, 9 a.m. via Zoom, correct?
Sí.
Ok, señor, entonces la fecha, por favor, anoten acá, porque tal vez no le llegue nada. El 22 de agosto a las 9 de la mañana por el mismo número de Zoom. Y si no es más nada, no tiene ninguna pregunta, ya terminamos.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What? I'm going to try to bring them back in the room. Thank you, Ms. Cox. Have a very good day.
Bye-bye, you too, Your Honor.
What is your honor?
You're not gonna get too far.
It's not going to get too far anyway.
He's coming in on Zoom or he's coming in the court.
Now I guess. You said what?
You already went viral.
Who's it going? This is what he wants to make this, he wants to make himself look.
I got his attention. He's aware that we're trying to pull him back into the breakout room. I'm about to send him a prompt. I mean, to the main session. I'm about to send him a prompt.
I'm trying to get him in the main. I'll close the rooms.
Okay.
Now, if he keeps it up, he'll find himself in contempt.
Your Honor, I'm trying to save him, but.
And I know it's probably going to be ordered as a transcript. So can y'all please talk at one time at a time?
Well, good luck. Good luck. You can get the video.
Sure.
All right. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn, let me say something to you, sir. Start your video, please.
I got it going. Get it straight now. Get it straight, bro. I simply wanted to come in and plead not guilty. But
So, Mr. Glenn, I asked you to stop talking to the judge like he's your friend or somebody on the street. You would not talk to another judge in a different jurisdiction like that. He's not your bro. He's Judge Perkins.
Now, let me stop. Let me stop right
I'm trying to help you, Mr. Glenn. You making it worse.
Stop, Ms. Gaten Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, let's get this understanding. First of all, I'm not your bro, okay? Yeah, I'm the judge, Mr. Perkins, but I'm not your bro, okay? Second,
I know you're not. Yeah.
No, I didn't ask you to speak. Don't talk while I'm talking. Secondly, if you continue to act out like you've been doing, I'm gonna have no choice but to hold you in contempt of court, okay? And I don't want to do that. I'm trying to exercise the utmost restraint with you. Now, third, I called those cases into the record to be as a matter of judicial economy. I don't know when you got those tickets. I don't care when you got those tickets. I try to do that for the benefit of you, so you don't have to keep coming back to court multiple times, and you don't have these warrants sitting out here on you, okay? That's why I called those cases into the record. That's my choice to do that, and I called the cases into the record for the court and for your benefit, so you don't have to keep coming back to court, okay? So,
I appreciate that.
I'm gonna let you speak. Let me finish. You're gonna come into court in person tomorrow at 8:30. I want you properly dressed. You can say what you want to do what you want to say. If you don't appear, then a lot of people don't show up. That's what the court has to say. Now, you want to talk? Go ahead and speak.
Okay. So I'm sorry about calling you bro. Okay. But I didn't think that you would get impartial and start, you were supposed to be here early. I'm 58 years old. Okay. So I'm kind of tech challenged, but I called down and I got in. Okay. I was late, but I got in, but it's just the way you was talking to me, that had me like, damn, like, I don't really want to go in front of this guy here, man. Plus I know Todd. So that's another reason why. Okay. So I was just asking if you could just recruit yourself. Then I found out some other stuff that's something, that's going on. Some news is going on right now. I don't want to be a part of that. I just want to go to another courtroom. If we could do it like that, then we good. Then I don't have to go down to the Judicial Tender Commission, file a 3-page report. You know what I'm saying? Just recruit me from your courtroom. That's all I'm asking you.
So, Mr. Glenn.
On the grounds of, maybe not because I don't think you're impartial, but.
Let me finish. Let him go ahead and finish.
Okay. Maybe not because I felt you were being impartial, but let's not say that. But I do know Todd personally. Been knowing Todd for a long time. So that's another issue. Not the other issue about what's going on with you now, but I'm just asking the court, please, just recruit yourself, or just send me to another judge, and I appreciate it.
All right, let me. I'm not going to send you to another judge. I want you to come down tomorrow morning at 8:30. I accept your apology about the bro situation. I didn't hold you being late against you, because I did let you in the room. As long as I'm sitting here, I question why people are late. I understand now why you're late. You told me you're not as tech savvy as other people, and that was it. You also were driving in court. You admitted to that. You have a
so let's clear that up. Listen, I have a business.
It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's all being recorded. It's on transcript. You admitted to that. Okay. So
you can say whatever you want.
I let you speak. And I'm speaking. I said, do not interrupt the court. All right. So this is it. We're not going to keep going back and forth. I'm going to let you go about your day. But come down tomorrow morning in person, and you can go to the Judicial Tender Commission. That is your full right. You can go to the chief judge, but I'm not going to sit here and have you yelling at my staff or anything, okay?
Your Honor,
listen, I'm not a
Mr. Glenn, please give me one moment. Please, I've been begging you since the beginning of our interaction. I'm trying to help you. Just be quiet.
Right. I should have brought my boy Blake in here. I wouldn't have all this.
Okay, so one moment, Your Honor. I explained to Mr. Glenn that he does have to be at court tomorrow morning at 8:30. I did also indicate to him that it's his absolute right to retain an attorney. If he is not able to retain an attorney, then he can ask for an appointed attorney tomorrow. Because he is here for misdemeanor matters, he is entitled to counsel. If he wants to pay his own counsel or ask for counsel tomorrow, that is his right. But I'm making it clear that Mr. Glenn is aware of his right to have counsel tomorrow at court.
All right.
If Mr. Glenn come to court, he's coming with all the news coverage. Okay, so we just want to make sure
No
everything is
problem.
good.
We'll
'cause
see you in
I
the morning at
said,
8:30. Make sure you
wanted
look good
another
for the
attorney.
news.
I want
Put
another
your good
judge,
suit on.
and I make it with another
One at
attorney.
a time,
Okay.
one at a time, court
Put your
reporters.
good suit on. We don't care about you coming with the media. Look good for
I
the
know you
media.
don't
Put your
care. That's
suit
why I
on
don't want you.
and bring.
You know what? As a matter of fact,
I'm
you're
not.
on ineffective counsel too. So
All
I'm
right,
good.
Okay.
We're gonna reschedule that.
Have a
I'll tell you
wonderful
what we
day,
do.
sir.
Let's handle it like this.
Stop it,
Let's
Miss.
handle it
Have
like
a
Don't
this.
say
wonderful
any
day.
more, Miss. Don't say any more, Miss Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, that's it, okay? I'll let you make your record. Come on down tomorrow morning, all right? Yo, you're muted. You're muted now. Unmute him, please. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. All right,
Let me
Mr. Glenn.
let me do what I gotta do. Okay. Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.
Peace and luck to you, sir.
Yep. Take care.
You too. All right.